Good morning everyone. I am very happy to stand before you to speak about a great personality who inspired millions, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. Dr. Kalam was born in a small town called Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His family was not rich, but his dreams were very big as the sky. He loved reading, learning and asking questions. He believed that dreams are not what you see in sleep. Dreams are those that do not let you sleep. He worked as a scientist and played an important role in making India strong in space and defense. Later, he became the 11th President of India and people lovingly called him People's President. Now my friend will share the details about one of his famous books.
Wings of Fire. It's not just a book, it's a journey of courage, hope and hard work. In Wings of Fire, Dr. Kalam shares story of his life, how a simple boy selling newspaper and became one of the most respected scientists in the world. He talks about his struggles, his teachers and how he never gave up. When I read Wings of Fire, I felt as if Dr. Kalam was talking to me directly, saying, work hard, believe in yourself and your dreams will take flight like the rocket. My favorite part of the book is when Dr. Kalam describes his first rocket launch. It shows that success does not come easily but through teamwork, patience and learning from the failures. So, dear friends, Wings of Fire teaches that every child has wings. Wings of curiosity, imagination and confidence. We just need to believe in ourselves to fly high. So let's promise today to dream big, to work hard and to make our nation proud, just like our beloved Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam did.